Om Sri Veera Raghavaya Namaha. Pranam to Guruji Sri Raghavachari Garu. This is Dr. Raja. Welcome you all, the viewers of Astrovision, to listen Rahu Ketu, the karmic planets transit from Gemini sign. Rahu is entering from Gemini sign to Taurus sign on 23rd September 2020, and the Ketu Bhagavan is entering from Dhanur Rasi to Vrichchika Rasi on the same day, 23rd September 2020. These two are karmic planets. They decide what you should get, when you should get. That's why these transits are very important. These two, Rahu and Ketu, Chaya Grahas, they will be there in one sign for 18 months. That is their 18 months sojourn starts from September 23rd to exact April 12, 2022. They will be like this. And generally we see what are the normal results Rahu and Ketu can give for that. Because the sign where Rahu is entering is a Taurus. It is a materialistic sign. It is natural Kudumbasthana, natural Vakusthana, natural Earthy sign, agricultural products and all assets sign. Rahu, always when he is entering into anything, extravagance, spendthrift, more amount will keep on sending, and also possibility of accumulation of more wealth. To some rasis they get a good result. Some rasis you will have to be little cautious on this. The combination, when you look at it, Venus and Rahu, the base is Venus, where Rahu is entering. Similarly, Ketu Bhagavan, who restricts, who is entering into Mars, that is Vrichchika sign, Mars sign, and Ketu is entering. In Nadi, Ketu Bhagavan is entering into Ucha Rasi, natural Ashtama. It's moving from Guru, where so far it was staying in Guru Bhagavan's house. From there it is coming into Mars house. Generally all our elders say Kujavat Ketu Sanivat Rahu. So Kujavat Ketu, that means Ketu is entering into his own sign. These things, what type of results it's going to give, we will see. How they are going to give, how people are going to get out of it. Generally what we say, Rahu and Ketu, if they occupy Upachaya house, third house, 10th house, and these houses, when it is occupying, they starts in 11th house also. 3, 10, 11 houses. If they occupy 11th is a Labhasthan. Generally we get good this thing, because all these two sensitive points, Rahu and Ketu are sensitive points, they apart 180 degrees. If Rahu is in 0 degree, Ketu will be 180 degrees. So this they spread, intersecting junction will be 180 degrees, what it will be there. In this, generally Rahu gives a good result on 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house. Similarly, Ketu also give 3, 6, 10, 11 houses. It will give. That is from your Rasi, if they get into 3rd house. That's why these people, those who can get better results, are Virgo, Kanya, Gemini, Kumbha Rashi, Aquarius and Capricorn. We have Ketu in 3rd house. When Ketu Bhagavan is in 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house respectively, they generally give a good result. Similarly, Rahu also. Whenever Rahu transition 3, 6, 10 allowances from the sign, they also will give a good result. Generally, now we will see for each Rasi what type of result they are going to give. We will go through it. What all I am just telling you is a general prediction, but definitely every horoscope, individual horoscopes, will say so many things depending upon the Lagna. So, you want expert opinion, you please be in touch. I am available in Meena2 online YouTube and www.astrologytraining.com, and contact my number for further clarification. Thank you very much. Good luck. Best wishes. Vrichchika Rasi. Vishaka Nakshatra 4th Pada, Anuradha 1, 2, 3, 4 Padas, and Jyeshta Nakshatra 1, 2, 3, 4 Padas. Here, Ketu Bhagavan in your Janma, Rahu Bhagavan in Saptama. This transit is starting from 23/9/2020 to April 12th of 2022. This is about 18 months transit is there. So in this Rahu Bhagavan in Saptama, the transit what it is there, its chances, those who are unmarried, you have got a good chance of marriage prospects are very good, and possibility of dealing with the strangers and foreign contacts, imports and exports businesses, suddenly you will get a chance. The students, those who are aiming for further studies in US, UK, Australia and any places, you will be in a position to get business dealings with the foreigners will happen. Overall, you get a new contacts, new business proposals, but take experts' advice whether to take the business or not. But opportunities plenty will be coming for you, and also Ketu Bhagavan in Lagna. So the impact of Ketu, which gives restriction to you, affection, love, dealing with people also, slowly you will be in a position to, you may not show over enthusiasm in all the activities, then lot of detachment in marital life is possible. But be very cautious. Do not express your anger or any of the negative feelings openly to anybody. Be cautious. Good luck. Best wishes.